Hello my YouTube fans, welcome back to my channel. Before we delved into if Asaprocky goes to jail, Rihanna replace him, please make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. In the ever-evolving landscape of celebrity culture, few relationships have captured public attention quite like that of Asaprocky and Rihanna. Their romance has been a whirlwind of love, style, and shared moments that have left fans and critics alike enthralled. However, the specter of legal troubles looms over Asaprocky, raising the question: what would happen if he were to go to jail? Would Rihanna simply move on, or could the world see a different side of her, a side that steps into the spotlight in a way we've never witnessed before? And RTO understand the potential impact of Asaprocky's legal issues on their relationship. It's essential to delve into their individual journeys. Asaprocky, born Rakim Mayers, emerged from Harlem's vibrant music scene, quickly establishing himself as a leading figure in hip-hop. Renowned for his unique style, both musically and fashionably, Rocky has garnered a massive following. His collaborations with artists across genres and his ventures into fashion have solidified his position in the industry. On the other hand, Rihanna, born Robin Rihanna Fenty, has transcended the music world to become a global icon. With her chart-topping hits and an empire that includes makeup, lingerie, and fashion, she is a force to be reckoned with. The two artists, who began dating publicly in early 2021, have been seen as a power couple, each enhancing the other's brand and influence. In recent months, Asaprocky has faced legal challenges that have put his future in jeopardy. While the specifics of his legal issues are complex and still unfolding, any possibility of jail time creates a ripple effect that could dramatically alter his life and career. Fans might wonder how such a situation would affect Rihanna. Would she stand by him, or would the pressures of public scrutiny push her to reconsider their relationship? Historically, celebrity couples have navigated through crises, with varying outcomes. Some have emerged stronger, while others have split under the strain. The public often scrutinizes these decisions, but what if Rihanna took a different route altogether? What if, instead of waiting for Asaprocky to resolve his issues, she decided to take the reins of her career and public persona in a new direction? Rihanna has always been more than just a singer, she's a cultural phenomenon. Her influence extends well beyond music. With her Fenty Beauty brand revolutionizing the beauty industry by championing inclusivity, and her Savage X Fenty lingerie line redefining body positivity, Rihanna has proven to be a trailblazer. If Asaprocky were to face incarceration, it's plausible that Rihanna could channel her energy into amplifying her already powerful brand. Imagine Rihanna stepping into the spotlight with an even stronger sense